Well, hello folks, I hope you're all well. We're going to have a look at some answers from these chapter 1 questions I've set you. So we're going to go through them. I've only got one printout of this, so let's hope it all works out and I don't make too many mistakes. So the first question, before a car brakes, it has kinetic energy. Okay, so car's going along, it's got a certain amount of kinetic energy because it's moving. The kinetic energy decreases as it brakes. So it brakes, it's slowing down. Because it's slower, it's got less kinetic energy. The question asks us to state what happens to the kinetic energy during the braking. So as it's braking, what's happening to that kinetic energy? Well, a simple answer would be to say the kinetic energy is getting less. But where's that store of energy going to? It's stored, it's kinetic as it's moving, but where does it end up as? You've got to get a destination for the energy in this question. So if you've ever touched brakes, you know they get very hot due to friction between the brake pads and the brakes themselves. You could create a lot of thermal energy. And so that's where that energy store goes to. It goes into thermal energy. So it says state what happens to kinetic energy. So you can say it's transferred to thermal energy. But that's not quite enough for the mark. Where is this thermal energy? So we could just say of the surroundings. So it's just transferred to thermal energy of the surrounding. But if we want a little bit more detail, we could say thermal energy. We could just say in the brakes themselves. So you've got to get a destination. Where is this thermal energy? Question 1 done.